Now, continuing with the cha-cha, we're going to do that nice, simple New Yorker. Again, simple step. This can be added on to the little bit you've done before. So with the New Yorker, we're stepping and turning, and we're stepping through. So you're turning slightly and push the weight into that step. It's ball flat and hip. Replace and then off, side, close, side. Get that cha-cha hip action in. And through, hip, replace, side, close, side, hip, replace, side, close, side, hip, replace, side, close, side. If you're dancing with your partner, you can hold hands and push through. And hold hands and push through. But quite a nice way of doing this one is to keep the hands separate so that you're stepping through, side, close, side, and you're pushing through, side, close, so you're just matching there instead of holding. You can also, with this one, you can take it from a back basic, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, coming through, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. You can add your spot turn at the end, which you've actually done in the rumba, but it's not too difficult to turn, replace, and side, close, side. So you can put a little spot turn on the end there. Spot turn is very similar to the rumba, except you've got a cha-cha-cha in, so you're stepping across into the hip again, and turning, replace, and side, half close and side, and I keep saying side, close, side, and then the other way around, step across, turn, cha, cha, cha. So if you're putting that together as a little sequence, you dance a back basic, cha, 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 step through, 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 and then we can turn, replace, cha, 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 turn, replace, cha, cha, cha. Don't forget again, cha, 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 get those hips moving, lift up, and use the arms nice and soft. It's no good going plonk, plonk, cha, 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 plonk, plonk. Let it flow from there so that it's moving through. Cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So face to face with your partner. Well, again, you can do them side by side, each other. So learn those two simple moves. Try the spot turn in the rumba first, because it's a bit slower and easier to just get your 2, 3 and your 4, 1. The only difference with the cha-cha, instead of 4, 1, it's cha-cha-cha. So you've got, one more time.
Back basic, cha-cha-cha, step through, replace, cha-cha-cha, through, replace, cha-cha-cha, through, replace, cha-cha-cha, spot in, cha-cha-cha, spot in, cha-cha-cha.
And there it is. 2 simple steps, a little bit of practice, get your cha-cha-cha going.